my lovely friends. The ingredients for today for our lemonade mint juice is lemon, sugar, ice, and mint. Hello my lovely friends. Today I will teach you how to make lemon juice with mint. First, we need to wash the mint. Okay. We need to wash the mint for at least 3 to 4 times and put a little bit of salt too. If there is a small insect inside, it will kill. Let it drain with our mint, drain the water, and then okay. Then is our lemon juice. I must remove the cover for the lemon. For our lemon juice with mint. 4 pieces of lemon for our lemon juice. And remove, of course, remove the seeds for the lemon before you put in the blender. Remove it. So guys, let's start to blend our lemon juice with mint. First, you must put ice. This is the ice. Let's start. We need to put our mint leaves inside the blender, and then we add 1 cup of sugar. We add our lemon. I peel the cover. We need to add. And then ice. We need the ice. Ice cube. Anything ice. As you like. And we need to add cup of water. This is the cup of water. Okay. Let's start to blend. Become smooth the leaves. We still blend. So guys, it's done. So nice. We need to strain the juice. We don't need the leaves at all. So we need to strain it. You see, this is like this. We need to strain it, guys. This one like this. Guys, product ng ating lemon with mint. Tikman natin. Tikman na natin. Guys, thank you so much if you like my video how to make lemon juice with mint, and let's do it in your home, guys. It's so delicious. This summertime, it's so good. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel, Mim's Kitchen.